Hello and welcome. Some Roborock QREVO AdaptLift stuff regarding carpets in 3, 2, 1. While starting and testing some carpet cleaning runs, I figured out that the mops are dragging over the tested carpet. Also, the robot has some false detection, as we can see in the top right, leading to non-wanted carpet mopping during a run. So it looks like an obvious decision to enable AdaptLift for this carpet to rise the robot's body to prevent the dragging and mopping. You have to customize this setting for each carpet, and it is only available if you choose the carpet's first option beforehand. So I did some test runs with this setting enabled using my certified test dust. The cleaning performance after 7 runs using the Max Plus mode for vacuuming was a removal of only 0.3 grams of the 10 grams embedded test dust. What is an absolute awful result. The robot just embedded the sand even more by itself, with mostly just leaving wheel streaks, as we can see in the left picture. The right one is how the embedded test dust pollution is looking before the test started. I let the robot do 2 more cleaning runs afterwards with the AdaptLift option disabled, and the robot was at least able to remove nearly the same amount of the 7 runs before. Still not great, but given the fact that the dust was more embedded, it is not reasonable to judge from this result. The whole testing of the QREVO with the best settings for each carpet will follow soon. To do some more showcasing of the issue that you have to really be carefully using the AdaptLift option regarding carpet cleaning and have a look at what the robot is doing, I use some captured fibers of a tumbler that were applied onto and a bit embedded into the carpet. The first 2 runs using AdaptLift, and we see that only some of the bigger clumps are removed, while smaller fibers still remain. Also, we see only some wheel streaks, while the carpet pile looks very much untouched by the main brush. And that is the issue, the main brush is not touching the pile because the AdaptLift has no real adaptation to the carpet height or the pile. There are not height adjustments possible in between the maximum lift and the disabled status. With the AdaptLift disabled, we see a much better pickup of the smaller and embedded fibers, and that the pile is being touched and separated by the main brush. This is the first time I did this test, so I have no comparison data yet, but I think about including such a test in the future. So the takeaway is that you should not expect too much of this regarding carpet cleaning, since there is no real adaptation to the carpet. We only have 2 states and no height adjustments in between. The main brush is also not able to get lowered to always maintain good pile contact, since the robot is only able to lift it to prevent pollution by liquids or mopping only mode sessions. If you enable the option, you have to watch really closely how the unit performs, since the worst case scenario is that the robot embeds dirt even more and not vacuuming it away. My whole testing video regarding carpet and hard floor cleaning will follow soon. Thanks for watching, bye.